What is up, guys? It's Kat. Welcome back to my channel. I know this is the first... It's my washer going off. I heard it beeping. I got scared. So as you can see, my kitchen is a disaster, and this is just 1/5 of the disaster in this condo. So today we're doing an entire condo clean with me. I'm so darn excited. I know for me, when I don't feel like cleaning, one of the #1 things that helps motivate me is either putting on someone's YouTube video and watching them clean while I clean, so we're kind of cleaning together, or I'll just watch their cleaning video, and then once I finish watching their space go from messy to clean, it'll give me that little spurt pop. Give me a little bit of motivation to get up and clean my space. So whichever one of those ways this is going to work for you, I really hope this can help you to give yourself a little motivation to start cleaning, get your space organized, feeling fresh. The ice in here keeps melting. So okay, so over here, dining room, those two things are gonna be sold on Letgo or donated, but for right now, nobody's really buying things, obviously, so we're just keeping them there for now. And I feel so lucky, Tim and I are both able to work from home for our job, so that's what we've both been doing. So he kind of took over the dining room because we're both going in and off calls. I do voiceover for my job, so it didn't work to have us both in the office. Dining room, this is his work stuff I'll have to organize. Kitchen, you can kind of see through there that it's a disaster. And then the living room, that's something fun we have to talk about. This chair is like this because Cal is here, which I'll show you in a sec. I'm so excited. And yesterday I was working while letting her sit out on the patio, but I didn't want to leave her out there alone, so I was watching her. Also, outfit of the day, my leggings are the Lululemon Align pants in this fun gray color, and then some white socks, fun, and then this shirt. I feel like I got this from TJ Maxx a while ago. Oh, also you could see I got a balloon up there. The other day Tim came home with these balloons. You may or may not know balloons are my favorite thing in the world. I think they're so fun. When I have a kid, I'm definitely gonna do a gender reveal with a balloon. It's gonna be so fun. That one, I don't even remember what happened, but somehow it got cut and then it went all the way up there. So I still have this one here. Probably just gonna wait for it to come down. I don't really care that much to get a ladder and get all the way up there. Oh gosh, there's towels, blankets, because I had put some out for Callie yesterday when she was hanging out on the deck. So yeah, this is just an overview of the living room. Disaster. So fun. This is a countertop actually for our laundry room. I'm so darn excited. That's the back of it. Say hi, baby. Are you resting? You're gonna have to get up in a sec, 'cause I gotta wash the sheets. Baby, you're gonna have to hop off to bed so that we can wash the sheets. All right, took the bed sheets off and Cal is back. And then as far as the rest of the room, both this and that bin have clean laundry in them. So I have to go ahead and put all that away. But first I'm gonna go around and just kind of pick up everything that's on the floor, because that's what's stressing me out right now. And something I always make sure to do, even if I am washing my sheets as I am here, is to make my bed before I start cleaning the rest of my room. Even if it's just throwing the sheets that you do have on to quote unquote make it. I just think this makes such a big difference. One, your room will instantly look way cleaner, so you'll feel more motivated, and the task of cleaning your room won't seem as overwhelming. And then it also gives you a nice clean surface to organize stuff on, especially if you have a smaller room and you want room to fold your clothes on or separate stuff into piles. This is super, super important. And then whenever I'm cleaning a room, once I finish that big, most daunting task, so for my bedroom, it was putting all my laundry away, I will then separate the room off into sections and go section by section. I just find that this process makes it seem way more manageable and a lot easier, and honestly more enjoyable, because you feel like you're just taking steps in a routine to get it clean. So first I did my makeups table, organized all of that, and then I headed over to my dresser. so darn clean. Isn't it just the best? Okay, so now that the bedroom's clean, we're gonna move on to the kitchen. But the first step is to do a sweep of the entire condo and gather up any dirty dishes and trash so they can be put in the dishwasher and the trash can. And then definitely always leave your garbage bags by the door if you're not gonna take it out right then and there. Why are you not focused? I have a few more here. Oh my God, so many recyclables. We'll bring all those. I can't carry it and the camera though. And then of course, before I can really do anything else in the kitchen, since dishes make up the most of the mess, is I need to clear out the dishwasher. So I'm just putting all of the clean dishes away. I gotta be honest, I know I said we were gonna do the dishes first, but I'm going to retract that statement because there are just too many. Oh my God, too many. Oh my God, oh, that's scary. You do have a bunch of random things that need to go in the cabinets or put into a different room around the kitchen. I highly recommend taking it back a step, dealing with that first, and then we'll go and finish up the dishes. And this is a recyclable, I forgot to put this away. Now we can get back to the dishes. Oh, I can't believe I just realized this whole time I've been cleaning and I could have had this beautifully smelling candle burning. Didn't do that yet. Let's go get my little lighter real quick. That was creepy. I shouldn't have done that. I'm sorry. Say hi. Here both of Tim's phones charging. I really want to get those like mini little cords here that you can put, the ones that are only like this long, because I feel like, how annoying is this? And this one's even broken. Oh, that was Kelly barking. What are you barking at? Where's your little backup? You okay, baby? And then you probably could have guessed, next we're gonna wipe down the counters. I don't always move everything off of them. I'd say maybe I do that about every other week or so, but I do think it's important every once in a while to take everything off and make sure that every inch of that countertop is being cleaned, as well as I did the backsplash, the faucet, and a few other areas like that. Okay, so now we're gonna take all of the recyclables and trash out and take Cal for a walk. Callie, you wanna go for a walk? Do you wanna go for a walk? Do you wanna go for a walk? She's trying to get by. I'm so out of shape. I tried running with Callie because she wanted to run. Didn't end well. We are now taking the coffee maker out of the dishwasher because we're gonna make more coffee. So I guess we'll have to use it one more time and then wash it. Also, fun tip that my friend taught me, I used to always just fill this up and then pour it in, but if you have one of these that goes like this, you just go like that and then pour it in, although I can't do two things at once, oh gosh. Never used to do it like that, but it makes it so much easier. So, fun fact, or fun little hack. Not really a hack, but. Okay, so Tim has some of his tools here because you'll see, I'll show you. Or he's moving the washer to the side so that he can add in some more of these little things. And I'm gonna be painting all of this like a grayish color and then all the walls white. Time to clean up the living room. So obviously the first thing I'm gonna say to do is make the couch because, you know, couch is kind of like the main focal point. So if that looks nice and neat, the room is immediately gonna look better. And then I figured since that big chair is already moved to the side, I would just finish picking up anything on the floor and then move the coffee table out of the way so that I could vacuum up the carpet. I don't know why, but I've always enjoyed vacuuming. I know that's like a weird thing to enjoy, but maybe it's not because you're cleaning and it's kind of satisfying. I don't know, but let me know in the comments what your favorite chore is. I would definitely say mine are wiping down counters and vacuuming. Okay, so we'll just leave the vacuum there for now because I'm gonna put on my other like hardwood floors attachment and finish off vacuuming the rest of the place later. I just wanted to get the carpet done first, but I have to figure out how to, just before I move all the furniture back on it. Hi guys. So unfortunately, somehow the vacuuming, a little bit of mopping, and like final clips that I had filmed of cleaning the whole condo got deleted, or like the files got corrupt or something like that. So, and I almost refilmed it all, but then I just decided, you know what? I do want to do an entire deep clean my condo with me, which will essentially just be refilming all of that anyways. And so I don't know if y'all really want to see that again. Like I feel like I have so many videos of me vacuuming and mopping and dusting that I was like, you know what? It's okay. I feel like we did a lot in this video and I'm going to be doing all of that again. So it's a few days later. Today's actually Saturday, so this video is going up tomorrow. And I figured I would quickly show you what my clean condo looks like. And also, if you watch until this part, you're gonna have a fun little surprise because within the past few days, Tim and I finished the laundry room. Not like 100%, there's still a few things that need to be done and like things I'm gonna be adding, but it's pretty much done. So I'm gonna show you all that. But you know, just like a quick little overview, here's the living room, still looking clean, still got that old dude hanging out. The dining room is now messy again because Tim's stuff, obviously, you know, I filmed this last weekend. So over the week, all of his work stuff got re-put out. So I figured we'll just leave it, it's fine. That's what it looks like in real life. And then if we go over to the bedroom, it's looking nice and tidy. I just did like a quick little 20-minute tidy cleaning everything up. And then the office, I don't even think I showed you in the first half of this video, but this is what it's looking like. I didn't have much to do. Today, we're actually selling this table as well as the two coffee stand tables that go with it off of Letgo. There's not much going on in here. This is where I've been working from home. This is my little setup over here. I love it. And then if we come in here, we got Cal's food because she's been staying with us. Here's the kitchen. The only thing really different, I switched out some yellow roses there, fake yellow roses instead of the blue flowers because I wanted it to match with my wreath. And then those little lemon rags that I have there. Okay, so now I want to show you the laundry room. Quick before I do, I wanted to say the countertop is actually DIY'd by Tim. Oh gosh, I love it so much. I still can't believe how darn talented he is. I gotta be like, my mind is always blown. I mean, he did the kitchen. I shouldn't be surprised because he did that whole kitchen, but I'll insert a clip here that I posted on Instagram of us putting it together. That was really all I did to help though. Everything else, like cutting the wood, sanding it, putting the sealant on top of it, so like if water gets on it, it doesn't ruin. That would get ruined. That was all him. I'm gonna input a little bit of footage here of what it looked like before, and then we're just gonna go in and take a look at the after. We're gonna raise this little shelf and then move this over a little bit, and I'm gonna have a countertop running across the whole thing. I think I'm gonna get different shelves put up there, maybe like a cabinet or something. Okay, are you ready? Ta-da! Okay, I love it so much. I just love being in here. Like last night I was folding laundry and it made me so happy. So this is the DIY Butcher Block countertop. It turned out so good. I painted these this like bluish gray color. Now I feel like I'm gonna get questions on this because it's like, what the heck, there's only one machine there. It's a combo, which I actually love. Tim got this for me for Christmas and it is honestly amazing. I highly recommend if you're in a very small apartment or small space and you don't, you know, first of all, it's more expensive to buy 2 machines, and second of all, it takes up more space. So if you want to be able to make a little room like this, or even if you just don't have the space in general and you're thinking I couldn't fit a washer dryer, maybe you could fit a combo. Like when we did research on reviews of them, the LG was really the only brand that had really good reviews, and I have loved it. I haven't had a problem with it so far. So this is the LG Direct Drive. I don't know, this is all the information that comes with it, but I really like this. Highly recommend if you're looking for a combo. And then I love these gold handles. I got these off of Amazon for like $3 each. And then obviously just detergent. I got a little plant. This has some water in it. And then over here is this cute little bucket, and we have these balls in here that you put in when you're drying your clothes to help it move everything around. Eventually, I think I want to put a little cabinet up here for some more storage. But for right now, I just put this cute little holder picture frame and some cute pictures up there. And I just love it so much. Originally, Tim was like, you can keep this door closed so that no one has to see your laundry stuff. I literally, like, I'm fine taking this door off. Well, no, because it's noisy. So like when I'm doing laundry, I close it. But I just always want people to see this when they walk in. I just feel like it looks like, oh gosh, my laundry room is off of Pinterest or something. So I'm super excited. But it is very loud, so we're just gonna close it for now. If you watch until this part, comment laundry room makeover. Just because no one would really guess that that's what's in this video, but if you watched until the end, you got to see my laundry room makeover, which is fun, right? All right, I love you all so much. I will see you next week in another video, and yeah, I don't know what that is. Love you guys. Bye.